Most beginners make the same mistake when starting bookkeeping. They pick software that is too complex, thinking it will make them look professional. But instead, they get overwhelmed and stop using it altogether. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best bookkeeping software is not the most advanced one. It is the one you can actually use every week without confusion. In this video, you will learn the best bookkeeping software for beginners in 2026, how each one works in simple terms, and which one fits your situation so you can stay organized from day one. Let's get straight into it. If you are a beginner like Alex, who just started freelancing, or Sarah, who launched a small online store, your goal is simple. You want to track income, record expenses, and understand your profit without needing an accounting degree. But here's where most people fail. They try to manage everything manually in spreadsheets for too long, and then lose track of money. First up is Wave Accounting. This is one of the easiest tools for beginners because it is free and very simple to use. You can create invoices, track expenses, and see basic reports. Now here's the interesting part. Wave is perfect if you are just starting and want zero monthly cost. Next is QuickBooks Simple Start. This is designed for beginners who want something easy but also scalable. It automatically connects to your bank, categorizes transactions, and helps you stay organized. But here's the problem. It can feel slightly overwhelming in the first few days if you rush through setup. Then we have FreshBooks. This is especially good for freelancers and service beginners. It makes invoicing extremely simple. You can track time, send invoices, and see when clients pay. In a minute, I'll show you why many freelancers prefer this over more complex tools. Next is Zoho Books. This is a great middle option for beginners who want more features without complexity. It has automation, expense tracking, and clean dashboards. It also grows with your business, which means you won't need to switch later. Finally, there is Xero.io. This is slightly more advanced, but still beginner-friendly if you are willing to learn. It is known for clean design and strong reporting. Many accountants recommend it, which is a big advantage when your business grows. So how do you choose? If you want free and simple, go with Wave. If you want long-term growth, QuickBooks is a strong choice. If you are a freelancer, FreshBooks is the easiest daily tool. If you want balance, Zoho Books works very well. And if you want a professional setup from the start, Xero is a smart option. Here is the key takeaway. As a beginner, your goal is not perfect accounting. Your goal is consistent tracking, so you always know where your money is going. Now you understand exactly which bookkeeping software fits your level in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, comment what you are using right now, and subscribe for more simple business tool guides like this.